Yes, I was not gonna address this, but I can see it needs my attention. I've never had any sexual encounter with Mpumelelo Msaleko. I saw on my ancestors' life. I've never. I met him when he had to come to my podcast. Even my ex-husband would testify on this if he could. I respected my marriage, never involved a third party. Emshadweni wami. Emshadweni wami asikaze sibanga umuntu wesithathu, guys. Not even giving each other signs that we are doing each other like that. Just because we're separated does not mean it's because of a third party. So when I say so khuluma lezinto ngiyakubona nje, I was thinking of suing you, but ngiyakubona ukuthi uyisu nje uyihambela. Impilo yakho isuwe wena. And you playing those voice notes thinking, no. Don't try to involve battles that you know very well, Guti. They've been there. Me and that girl on the voice note, yes, we don't get along. So I'm not expecting anything good coming from her. Ngam. And sis, we've never been friends, Mna Nawels. When you came in Dumbinam seeking for help, we've never been friends. Go look for professional help because ngiyabona ukuthi right la. Qhubeka udliwe wethu ungasifacting. Akusiyo yonke intombazana ephumelelile edliwayo, akusiyo yonke intombazana enhle edliwayo. Qhubeka udliwe wena ubele object ungasifaki lapho. Asihloniphaneni guys. Lokhu ikhalise ukhalelani. Angiphapheli mina sis. Cela ungihloniphe. No.